Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you add products to TikTok shop. If you want to add products to TikTok shop, you must first have a verified TikTok seller center account. So once your account is set up, you could use your shop profile including warehouse and bank details is complete. So from the very home page, what you want to do is navigate to the product section in the seller center. From your dashboard, you just want to tap on the products tab in the left hand side menu and select manage product. After which you could go ahead and add a new product. You could then tap on the add new product button in the top left corner or the right corner. Then you could go ahead and enter basic info, provide a clear photo, name and all that, and select the correct category, and TikTok may auto suggest a category based on the name as well. And add at least 3 to 5 high quality product images. You can also upload a product video to increase buyer trust as well. And you could go ahead and add in the product details. Then you could go ahead and add in sales and shipping address, all that, and you could go ahead and submit this. That's how you could add product to TikTok shop. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.